Hey guys, so I just got the Spark. I'm really excited to open it because this is my first drone. It's I got the Fly More combo, which includes the remote controller, battery chargers, and extra batteries, and extra propellers. And then it was a special deal, so they gave me an extra battery on top of the extra battery, which is amazing. So I'm gonna open this later. First, let's open the Spark itself. All right, wrapper is off. Now let's open this box up. Oh wow, okay, I have no clue how to open this box. Okay, I guess it's, oh okay, there's a sticker here. Haha, I'm dumb. Another sticker. Okay. There we go. Oh wow. Look at this. Dang. 1 second. Let me show you guys what it is in here. Alright, so this is what it looks like when you open it up. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna assume this is the drone, and this is the instructions. It says instructions here. There. Instructions. And this is a big bag. Cool. 1 second. Let me set you guys back up. Alright, let's open this. So let's take out the big bag first. Wow, this is a very nice quality bag. It's like all leathery and nice feeling. It's a nice feeling bag. Feels good. And it has the DJI branding right up in front. Wow, this is a bag I can carry around. Shoulder bag, Spark shoulder bag. Come on, focus. Yeah, Spark shoulder bag. Let's see the drone first. I think that's the more interesting part of it. All right. This little case is what holds the drone, and it's surprisingly small. Like, this is what, the size of my palm, literally the size of my palm. So it's a nice styrofoam case. Same case as the DJI Osmo 2. Okay, let's open it. Oh yes, that neon green. This meadow green, actually, that's what it's called, but it looks so beautiful. And this is the extra battery that comes with the Fly More combo. And there's another one, so I can perfectly fit it in here. 2 batteries. This is amazing. Now what is this? This is, oh, extra propellers. And another one. So 2 extra propellers that perfectly fit here. I mean, wings, or whatever they are. I think the propellers, right? Really nice. They look so nice. And they fold up perfectly. So it's just like, cute little propellers. I'm gonna keep these in here. Okay. Whoa, wait. There are 2. Oh, so there's 4 extra in total. That is very nice. Dang. Okay, let's put these back. Okay, so let's take out the drone. Oh wow. It feels very sturdy in the hand. It's a very solid build. And it's got some weight to it. This is so cool. And there's a battery attached to it already. And I think this is the charging port. Yeah. There's the SD card. So you can put the SD card in here. And then the micro USB to charge it up from. So that's all set. This is a very nice drone, and I really like this color. Like, look at it. It's a nice green. But actually, looking at this, I feel like I'm not gonna be able to find it when I drop it in grass because it's literally camouflaged. So that might be a problem. All right, let's see what else is in here. Oh, let's put these propellers back. Oh. Let me do this. I think that's how it works. Fit in there. There we go. Cool. Okay, let's see what's in this bag. I'm really interested. This bag is very bulky. It takes up a lot of space. So what is inside? Oh, a lot of styrofoam, apparently. Oh, this is the controller. Oh, wow. This controller looks so nice. Okay. So this is part of the Fly More combo, which is like highly recommended, apparently, because you can turn it on to sports mode. So once you turn it on to sports mode, it flies a lot faster, and it flies a lot faster. But this remote control can allow you to extend your range by a lot. So this is, I think it was 200 meters or something. Wow, this feels so nice. And then like down here, you can clip your phone onto it with these things. That is so cool. And you just snap your phone in here. You just snap your phone in here, and then you can play around. So there's a camera button on here, so to take photos, and a video button up here. This is genuinely very nice. And this is also very sturdy built. So it's got some weight to it, but like everything about this is so nice. And I don't think it's a very fingerprint magnet material. It's actually made of like pretty hard rubber here, so it gives you a pretty nice grip. That's a nice touch. Oh, there's a nice separation pad here. All right, what's this? Oh, a bit of a snack, you know, while you're unboxing it. You get hungry, so you can eat some of this, you know. DJI is so thoughtful. Okay, this is the power plug, I guess. What's cool about this is that it comes with 2 USB plugs. So like, I can charge my phone or like charge something else that's USB powered while I'm charging the Spark, which is very thoughtful. Okay, these are the propeller guards. Ah, that's really cool. So they come in these tiny packages. So I guess you put these on when what? I guess you put these on when you don't want it to damage your propellers. They add up a bit of like size to it, as you can guess. But I think these clip on pretty easily. All right, let's see what else is in here. Okay, this is just a plug for this. So that's pretty self-explanatory. Is that it? Ooh, let's see what else is in the box. Okay, so this is just instructions, and that's that. I was told there would be a battery charger that can charge all 3 at the same time, and I was right. Okay, so first of all, they give you a micro USB line that you can just plug into the Spark and just charge straight away with the USB head. And this is the cool part. They give you a battery bay. So this can charge 3 batteries at the same time while being plugged into this thing. See, this is a perfect fit thing. Some way, right, this way. So once you plug this in, yeah, you can slide 3 battery slots onto here and charge it simultaneously, which is a very nice add-on because, I mean, these batteries only last, what, 13 minutes? So having a really nice charging dock to just slide them back in after you're done is a very nice add-on. So yeah, I think that's it. Let's open this extra battery. I'm really curious on how they package this one single battery. Okay, so it comes in a box that opens up. Oh, there's a nice instruction manual. That is too bright to see. There. Intelligent flight battery. Yeah, yada. Cool. They use some really nice foam. It's squishy foam. here is the battery. I think this is what you get if you buy just a straight up an extra piece of battery. This is very well stuck in there. Okay, so that's it. Just comes straight up as a battery. So let's try to slide this into the dock. So for example, I just finished using this battery and I can just go whoop, and it's in. You guys didn't see that. All right, yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna test flight this tomorrow, since as you can see, it's nighttime and can't really go out with the drone at night. Won't really get any footage. So yeah, the DJI Spark. Let's see it again. This beautiful, beautiful green color. And once again, it is surprisingly small. Like, the fact that I can fit this into my hand, like, that is amazing. It's so portable. And this gimbal, it's a 2-axis gimbal, so it spins this way and it spins up and down. Well, I mean, this way is more like to stabilize for the flight of the drone, and this way allows your camera to look up and down and go like, oh, let's look underneath, what's underneath us.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please